Yep.
Of course, a headline can come out at any moment.
And there you go. And taking heat. And that's a loser. Wow. For 3. Done. Catching a bid here in gold. Gold. 44.15 last trade. Top there in the ES up to 66.08. Yeesh. Shorts are not paying today, Jerry. Yikes.
No, they're not. They're not. Is there a way to get long here? I'm looking at this full session VWAP. What I'm waiting for right now, honestly, is a 30-minute candle to close above this full session VWAP, which we got 2 minutes here to go.
Yikes.
If it closes below, then it's just a, still indecision spot here, but
44.50 level, all of a sudden on gold doesn't look so far out of reach.
No, it doesn't.
To me, it was all based on that higher time frame. We're not too far away now. We're really not. We're at a big turnaround here.
Look at that. 44.14.
Yeah.
It's printed in gold. What's NQ doing? NQ pretty tame right now, trading 24,240, about 100 points off of the lows. ES above overnight VWAP. Last trade a 66.06. In the chat, really appreciate Aaron. Your thoughts while long gold definitely helped. Cheers. I'm going to set it better myself.
Appreciate
Aaron,
it.
they come see you on the London Open at 1:30 a.m. Central, Monday through Friday, Top Step TV. What can the people expect when they go check you out over there?
Absolutely. If you guys want to know more about the way that I trade gold, we went through the plan this morning. We took some nice gold longs. The guys who were here this morning, go over my whole entire plan. We do break down other markets as well. But if you want to find out more about the way that I trade gold, live every single day. Break it down for an hour to hour and a half. Take some trades together. Talk about my high time frame plan. How to use the 5-minute based off that. Lots of good education every single day. We're there every day.
Well done. Nice plug. Also trading nomad. I forgot to ask you where you are right now. Where are you right now? Real quick. Where are you on this planet?
I'm in Spain. I just got back from Finland. When I was skiing trip in Finland, now we're back in Spain. Back to the heat. Back to the sun.
Yes, thank you so much. Jay, as always, we're going to see you here in about hour and a half or so. Go get some rest. Job well done. You have any words you want to say? Anything? Oh,
trade well, everybody.
Here's the hook.
I'm out of here.
Give me the hook. They're pulling you off stage. We are doing a line shift. Who is coming in? Yes. Oh, Utah in the house. In the middle, we got Dakota.
Hello.
To the right, Mandy. What's going on? Let's go right to Mandy. How's it going?
Hey, doing pretty good. Took care of my kids this morning, and now it's my time to trade. So excited to be here with you guys on Fast Markets. It's been a minute since Dakota and I have been together. So yes, Utah in the house. Excited to spend some time with you, Dakota and Dre. So let's get some trades in if we don't chop as much as we are.
I mean, let's Dakota. Saw you in the chat. Long gold. Looking for 4,400s. Are you still long gold? What's up, Mr. Dakota? You feel better?
Yeah, I'm finally at the finishing recovering from being sick over the weekend. But yeah, I'm still long gold. Long gold from 43.57 spot 7, and I'm just letting this thing rally. Gold just recovered. We're now at settlement, and buyers continuing to step in. The reason why I got long, very similar to Aaron. If you guys were watching his analysis, he's been trading gold for quite some time. There's a lot of major support here at these 43.50s. So once again, we got down there, consolidated, and a beautiful, beautiful long setup. We'll see. We'll see how this one plays out. I look to hold this for maybe even longer. I know Aaron said he was looking at these 44.50s, but I think there's a decent chance to break out for even more upside than that.
What price did you get, Dakota? 43.57?
43.57.7.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Mandy, got the NQ trading 24,208.
Yeah. I would say on NQ, I am going to see how well we can maintain below these. If we can ever get back down into these 70s and hold. For sure on a 1 minute, ideally, I would like a 5-minute candle close on it as well. That usually will give me a little bit better of a setup. 15-minute, my moving average has been on top. So that's my yellow line. That's usually telling me that, selling is well maintained. And so I'm looking for shorts. I just don't want to get chopped up, catch the bottom of this like 1 minute range. And you can see we've been barcoding for some time now. So
More buying here
170s or so.
More buying here in the Dow. Initial balance high for the 6611.75. Correct me if I'm wrong, chat, but that's what I've got. Dow catching a bid.
Oh man, look at those buyers stepping in on gold again.
Yep. They just tried selling.
$10 pop.
Did you see that? Yeah, they sold it down to 44.04. Then the buyers stepped right back in, and we are watching gold rally now. 44.13 last trade. We're seeing ES pop, NQ, and the Dow as well.
Mm.
Look at that. And crude. In a range. Trade 91.62. Let's trade there.
Yeah, Walmart is leading the way for the net equities. Walmart is.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Get your goldfish. Initial balance.
Yeah, are you guys talking earlier? Right. It's the tech stock lead the way. And look,
I'm not buying this.
gold just so strong. I know there's a headline that came out last night, right after slow markets on gold, saying that the Fed Reserve banks are looking to buy more. Yeah, Walmart's my favorite tech company.
Just like Domino's Pizza.
Yeah.
Also, the push higher here in gold. 44.17 just printed.
Yeah, session highs. Let's go get these overnight highs. Overnight highs is like 44.50.
About $70 off the lows. Gold rally $70 in the last 40 minutes or so. Seeing some more buying in the Dow. Dow up about 400 points in the last 20 minutes. Crude. CL,
that
very
pop
tame.
in gold was a signal to sell it.
Oh,
okay.
On NQ, we are starting to increase, looking at mid 30s right now, 233. We've been respecting a 35 period moving average on the 3 minute and the 5 minute. The 3 minute, I think if we can get above these 45s, we can get a 3 minute candle close above 45s, I'll be looking to go long. So that's kind of my bracket. I have a target above that I'm looking to enter and a target below. So 245s above on a 3 minute, 175-ish on the sell. So that's kind of where I'm at. Yeah.
What was the long above? What was that price?
Above 245.
Okay.
And we're still in this range. So hands off. I'll let you know if we see anything approaching those areas.
So popping crude there. I'll continue to push higher. I sold 3 ES. Go lower.
Yeah, how's crude doing?
It's closing on 92, $91.95 last trade.
Technically up 4%. Technically up 4%. Dollar's up. The strength of the dollars. We've been selling off last hour in the dollar.
Crude above 92, $92.05 last trade. Session high is $92.68. Equities.
Gold hanging out. Right at settlement. Gold's right
at
settlement here.
More buying crude. 92.20.
Dang, the rest of these Microsoft down 2.6. This market's pretty heavy.
Yeah. Headlines, nothing yet.
NQ just below 200 and back above it. So right at 200 in the chop zone. I should draw a box of like where to not enter unless you're like Dolby and a range trader. But that isn't my strategy. So for me, I'm going to stay out of my chop box. Let's see if I can draw it on here.
Let's trade NQ 24,208. 207s now. No headlines.
So you don't plan on trading at all in this range, Mandy?
No, I mean, it's a good range. I mean, you got 60 points, but I'm a momentum trader. I like,
Or beneath the 200s now. It's closing in on NQ 24,191 last trade.
Okay. Yeah, gold hanging around settlement here.
Just hanging around.
Yeah, slowing down, slowing down. I'm just gonna let it play out on this trade. I'll be watching this. I'm watching the Nasdaq. Watch the Nasdaq for an opportunity. We're selling off here.
Now selling off. Watching crude here, holding bid. $92.23 last trade.
I like this question.
What is it?
Why is the Nasdaq not moving? Well,
It just did. It just did. It just sold off 60 points.
it's moving. We could be jaded with how volatile it's been.
Yeah.
I was talking to Jay last night. A lot of what we've been seeing is we get a headline and then things kind of just chop around. We're kind of waiting for the next headline. It's just headline to headline type market.
Yeah, why crude pop? Pretty much. That's what we've turned into.
Tricky to do, in my opinion.
Iron condors.
I mean, the range is ranging. Back above these 200s.
Yeah, what do you got for the range? Low end of what? 195s, upper of 240s, give or take?
Yeah, I would even argue 80s to upper 40s. Yeah.
So that's why Mandy was saying looking to perhaps get short beneath 175s. It could be,
with a candle close, not a wick, candle close. That usually gives me some confirmation that maybe we're heading a certain direction. But ACH and Q in these times can do whatever the crap it wants to do, and we just have to be able to manage that risk. So specifically on a day like today, I am going to size down. I'll probably get into 1 or 2 contracts. I don't think I'll go to my normal 3 MNQs, just so I don't get if we end up with like a big news headline coming through and we see a lot of volatility pick up, I'm not crying about it when it comes to my trade.
We got crude continuing to stay bid here.
I see that. Vince is short. The ES from 6601. Yeah, Coach Vince.
Ones.
I like the shorts. It's hard to be short the equities right now.
I did like
starting to pop again.
Yeah,
it's popping.
Gold is popping.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, I like that.
In this range. Dolby, how you trading? Any range traders carving it up this morning?
Yeah.
Tired.
Wait, did I miss something?
No, just in this range, how range bound it's been. He should be retiring here soon.
Yeah, exactly. Dolby.
Yeah, he's locked up. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Upside momentum in crude did taper off. Now $92.14 last trade. What gold do? Buyers stepped in gold. 44.
Buyers stepping in, man. I mean, this is crazy volatility in gold still. Up 560 ticks. That's like a weekly range in gold. I know Aaron, man. You guys ever stay up and watch him during the London Open?
I've done that once.
Ticks is a good trade. Yeah, it happens sometimes when you can't sleep. Turn on there and see what's going on there. But 100 ticks on a gold trade is a really good trade. But sitting in plus 600, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop loss up a little bit. Move it up to 4380s.
Like
the previous big pivot here. You can see it around the 5 minute. 4380s is nice support resistance. See if we keep going. I still like a breakout. Go test these overnight highs in gold. Maybe these 4440s, this upper end of the range. Right around there, 4430s, 4440s.
Yeah. Yep. Aaron was talking about 4450, so about $35 higher in gold as we trade 4416. Crude.
Just let it cook.
Crude leveling off at $92.15. 50-50 on the tilt.
Let's
I'd
keep
love to
going.
see a push on
20 for 20.
NQ.
Oh, there you go.
Here we go. I'm gonna bid into one here, maybe.
For long above 245s.
Not quite, almost there.
Okay.
Like I want a candle close, but this might, like we've tagged 45s. We hit my
Right there.
parabolic SAR.
Mm-hmm.
My EMA's on top on the 3 minute and the 1 minute. What's my 5 minute doing? 5 minutes starting to cross. It's just my 15 minute. Ooh, okay, I'm going long. Let's go
In?
one.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in one. Yeah, it's filling. This is gonna be a tight
Walmart.
stop.
I got initial balance. ES initial balance high is pretty much right here. It was 66.11. The orders.
Walmart's leading higher.
Look at that.
And see, not as of last fall, I think December, Walmart is now in the NASDAQ. Someone could confirm that for me. Yeah, Walmart's a tech stock now.
Pretty much. Mandy, what price did you get?
Pretty much at the highs, 240 even. We got about 40 seconds or so for this 15 minute to close. And I'm feeling like this is a possible move to the upside.
Okay. Get it.
Let's trade 243. We're seeing crude.
We're gonna get a
selling off. Yep.
Good chance of candle close above 45s. We're right at it. Let's see if we can just push a little bit more. I feel momentum. I feel like it's building. You know, you look at these charts long enough, you kind of learn the characteristics of the certain product that you're looking
Personality.
at.
Yep. How
Yep.
Yep.
Crude, seeing some selling here. $91.74.
We're reducing risk. Stop losses at 215. And I would love a test of VWAP. Let's see. Like I said, tight stop here. If it goes, I want it to go. Like I want that momentum to push through. If we get back into this chop zone, that'll be a good out for me then at 215, which we might
just going back inside it.
Yep. Wow, the range
yeah,
here.
it just got above it.
Wild.
I'm gonna get it to 209.
Wow. That turnaround.
Look at that.
Look at that turnaround.
Lots of chop, yeah.
Which
Oof.
I'm okay. I accepted the risk. Okay, I did move it just below my moving average at the cross, back down to 209 half, and we didn't get wicked out on it. So let's see.
BT.
Let's see if we
This
This would
bounce.
hopefully just be a little more than a paper cut, but to me, the risk and reward usually pays out nicely for me. So, wow. Okay, let's see how this goes.
MBT.
Love that.
Shout out to chat. MBT is getting smoked.
Yeah, it is.
MBT
Gold's
last
holding up pretty
trade.
well, though.
Ooh. 60, not smoke. 69,580 last trade.
We came a few ticks of your stop loss, Mandy, and is rallying.
I know.
Ooh,
Here we
Back
go.
to break even. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah,
There
we
goes
got
gold
crude
as
turning
well.
around, crude turning around, crude seeing some selling
Headline?
here. Whoa,
Headline, maybe?
maybe.
Reducing risk
What
here.
was that?
See money, take money kind of
Yeah,
scenario.
what was that? This is wild.
Feels like there was a headline there.
I'm not seeing anything. I mean, we saw crude.
Wow.
It's like what happened, Mandy, was Yumi and Dolby on Power Hour. What was that?
Oh my gosh,
You know
that
what I'm
was
talking
wild.
about? Yeah.
Oh wait, no. Was that last Friday? Fast Markets?
Might have been something like that. It was, what was
It
that?
was
'Cause
insane. It was 90 points in 1 minute.
it came right
That
back.
1 minute candle on Friday.
I'm not seeing
And there
any.
was nothing to
Oh.
validate it. Like we couldn't find headline for it to match it. It was, and then it
wasn't
retraced it in 3 minutes, I think.
that wasn't the Nvidia CEO saying $1 trillion.
Oh, there was that one as
No.
well.
No, it was separate.
So many headlines anymore, man. These
Seriously, I
headlines.
can't keep them all straight.
Can't keep them straight.
$91.70 last trade in crude.
All right.
Back
Gold
again
hanging
above
around the
entry.
session highs. New York session highs. 44.18.
Huh?
Dollar continues to get hit. There's a nice pop in the NASDAQ. Good trade. So close to the stop loss, and it held. You know you have a stop loss in the
Yeah.
right place when that happens.
Yeah. I'm glad I did adjust it kind of last second, and I'm glad I did. As I was reevaluating it, I liked where the cross was on my EMA as a better stop loss location, and it held perfectly. So another way I use it is a parabolic SAR is like a great stop loss.
This is wild.
On the 1 minute. Yeah, these trades, man.
You still in, Mandy?
It's like I should have taken money. Is there still room to the upside? Possible.
Follow that process.
Yeah.
We're seeing crude catch a bid now. Back up to $91.80.
Gold selling off back to settlement. I still don't see a headline if there was one.
It might be something about this. This is from Iran. Any ship passing through the strait requires full coordination with Iranian maritime sovereignty.
Yeah, gold back to settlement.
And this 1 minute's
NASDAQ's
crossing.
starting to sell. Yeah, equity's starting to sell here.
Yeah. 5 minute.
Yeah, we just got tagged out.
Crude back up.
Down 60.
Ah.
See money, take money. I keep saying that. Should probably listen to myself every once in a while.
I'm thinking about doing the same. Crude trade $92.02. Short from 66.07.
All right,
gold
let's see
doing?
if we get a sell setup.
Gold's chilling at settlement, Andre. Back and forth around 44.05. Some sell pressure coming in, though. Some selling pressure coming in.
All right. Yep. 4,400s. What's going on in crude? Crude trade $92.02. 4 cents. Now sold off.
Yeah. We're still staying below $100 a barrel.
Can't get the follow through one way or another right now.
No.
Maybe you're right.
No.
See money, take money. See money, take money. Haven't heard much from Washington, D.C. Yes, yeah, nothing from the president or now.
I still like these longs in gold.
Mm-hmm.
If I wasn't long already, I would be looking for a long here in gold again. Yeah, look, buyers starting to try to step in.
Yep. You're in the range of a range. This trade turned into a coin flip. What was that? What was that? Oh.
Yeah, there's
NQ.
a buyer.
Headline. Something hits us. Big selling here in crude selling off hard. I got long. Yes,
Oh, look at gold.
Yep, look at it go.
There's my VWAP. That's okay.
Oh, man. This big selling here in. Yep, we are popping here. What was that headline?
Wow.
Crude selling off. We got equities popping. Equities popping here, 66.30. Looking at a 30-point pop. Crude selling off. Big time.
Wow.
What was it?
This is just when I have to laugh.
Gold's going. Gold is marching.
Caveman? Do you caveman? Do you?
Dre, I'm gonna say no to Caveman. I've done that a
Oh.
couple of times this week, and it has
Oof.
retrace
Oof.
more often
Yeah.
than not. But that's just my personal experience at the times I've been trading. Yeah, NMQ trader NQ is being petty right now with me, I guess.
There's that
there we
retracement.
go.
Still no headline.
What
Have
a
not
rip.
seen what that headline may be.
What the heck? Thank you.
What was it? Haven't
Yeah.
seen it. Yeah, again,
Wow.
we just saw crude sell off hard. I don't know what, $90.66. We're talking about $1.50 sell off there. We saw equities pop. ES popped about 35 points. NQ popped 160 points
145.
there.
Gold
Yeah,
pop
160.
$30.
Yep.
160, yeah. 2 minutes. Well,
Gold's holding up pretty well here.
10-year price rallying. Yes, it is. What was it? Still nothing.
Up 700 ticks.
Mhm.
Let's go. I'm gonna move my stop loss
Wow.
now to
Great trade,
390s.
Dakota.
Lock in 400 ticks. See if we could keep pushing through this session highs, overnight highs. Overnight highs, these 4450s. Come on, Aaron. We got this.
I got long one.
Nice.
Just for kicks and giggles. Is it a caveman? Not entirely. We respected a moving average on the 1 minute, and volatility is decreasing a little bit.
What price,
So,
Mandy?
I got in at 307.5.
307
Green on
half.
the screen right now.
Getting in with that momentum. Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
See if we can another pop here in
Great
gold.
sentiment.
It's a
Poor
caveman.
execution. Yeah, caveman deal. Yeah, that's one of our fun ones.
Yeah.
If we could.
If we sell off NQ.
I got nothing. I'm not seeing anything.
Interesting. This feels like headlines.
We get
Headlines.
another one. We're gonna get another push here.
Oh my gosh. NQ.
50-50 tilt. Still not seeing the headline. Yes, yeah, we saw again huge sell-off in crude, huge pop in the equities, huge pop in gold as well.
Yeah. Selling off now. Reversing. We go right back into the range.
If we do. That'd be so NQ.
The True Social.
Yeah, it might be a headline we're not privy to yet. Maybe.
Interesting.
Man.
Back to entry.
This is when it gets wild.
Yeah, it's real volatile here. What's the VIX doing? VIX at 26.22.
Boy, what's the next move? Watching crude. See some more selling here in crude. More selling in crude.
Rating up 825. Buckaroos.
There goes
be
crude.
joining me tonight.
Crude, look out below. Crude, look out below.
Oh,
all right. I'm targeting these 360s.
Okay.
That'll get me above. Yeah. At this point, we're kind of, it's the structure's changing on NQ a little bit. We're hopefully looking more towards a U. We're attempting to get to a U. That's what I'm looking for. So
someone knows the news.
Yeah.
Watching crude here. Crude's gonna be very, very sensitive to these headlines. Crude trading $90.
The fact that we haven't had an immediate sell-off, like a retracement of that candle, has me more excited to be in these longs. It's that Friday, what was it? In 3 minutes, we retraced that 100 point move or 90 point move or whatever. That happened in 1 minute. So the fact that we haven't retraced it entirely and not even half of it